Hi, my name is Tanya and welcome to my travel channel. In this video I will share with you my experience of traveling Iceland by camper van. My husband and I took a camper van and went to explore the west of Iceland. We visited the highest waterfall of Iceland, Glimur. My husband had a dream to make a FPV dive into this waterfall. Also, we visited a lot of beautiful spots in West region, like Orange Lighthouse on the shore of the ocean, and beautiful churches. And finish our short trip by relaxing in the new spa in Reykjavik. Let's look our camper van tour. We rent Volkswagen California that has open tent option and we really like it. As when it's open you can stand tall. But we didn't sleep this way because it got huge heat loss. So in the morning we can't stay tall to dress up until we open the tent. Here we have folding table, passenger and driver seats could turn to table, backup seats fold into the bed. In the trunk we have kitchenware, portative gas stove and tank for water. There are also autonomic heating system that we use at night. Also, they are not allowed to drive with open tent, so sometimes we were lazy to open it, so don't have to close it after. Also, I didn't like that to take something from trunk every time we needed to go outside on cold. But nevertheless, we like to travel by camper van and even think to buy camper like this and want to travel this way more. Camper van is the most popular kind of transport among tourists.
Where are you from?
Hong Kong.
You live here, yeah?
Yeah.
How many days?
Thank you very much.
We're here 2 weeks. It's better than car. We can sleep here.
Yeah.
No need to go hotel.
Yeah, cool. So
Better. We were here
better?
a couple years ago in hotel. We think this is better.
You can sleep with a nice view.
And
Nice view!
wake up in the
like
waterfall
this, yeah.
and I make my coffee.
Also, big advantage of Volkswagen California is four-wheel drive. That means that you can drive it to the center of Iceland, Highland. We plan to make this trip next summer, as only in summer roads in Highlands are open. In camper van like this you can travel company of 4, but we rented only for 2 of us, so it was good, comfortable, but kinda overpriced. Also, this price includes maximum insurance that we took after our bad experience with rent-a-car in Iceland. You can watch this story here. Our insurance even included the case if wind blow the door, that our rental manager said did happen week before our trip. There are a lot of companies where you can rent camper van. We rent from campervanreykjavik.com and we work good with them. More affordable model for 2 person is small converted campers like Volkswagen Caddy, Citroën Berlingo or Renault Trafic. But in this model you can't stay tall. Next type is converted Renault Master. That also good for 2 person, but here you can stay tall. That is very good, I recommend. For nights we stayed in a campsite, as it's not allowed in Iceland to stay whenever you want. All lands are private. On campsites you can take a shower, use toilet and go to sleep in your camper. The most memorable campsite that we stayed in was campsite on a sheep farm. Here lives 2 friendly sheep that don't afraid of people at all, so you could pet and fed them. I was so happy about it because all the time of our Iceland trip, all sheep that we met were very shy and scared and always ran away from us. Also on the farm lives 3 friendly shepherd dogs. I highly recommend you to stay in this campsite. Link with location will be in description. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this, please push the like button and see you in the next videos. Also, I have Iceland travel guide, you can check it below. Bye bye!